Okay, this is Momentum Fool again. This is the second video we are sharing. Okay, so still I don't have my mic, so bear with the background noises which is happening. I just switched off my phone, but some other guys is shouting on outside. So don't mind on the background noises. I'm sorry for that. So we'll rectify in upcoming things. Okay, so we'll go to the things which I have done. Okay, I'm sharing it from the which we have already done, and strategy is where we have implemented the first video, right? Yeah, right. At this time we entered on almost I bought it on Friday, March 28th, as there is a last day pertains to be March 31 of this month of the March 2025, but 31 was a uh, there was a festival and it was a leave of a market, so we entered it on 28th, last working day, and last working day on this area we I just because just I entered it on monthly time frame. Just use don't confuse this with that's also experimental thing. Okay, uh, we just saw an asset which is above 10-month moving average and we are long on it. Simple rule. And this is about 10-month moving average, and we think this is some build up. So apart from gold, I'm bullish on silver. That's why I have entered into this. So let me show what how much positions we hold. Okay. On the day we bought it around 101.10. This is the my average price, 247 quantities. And the today's last traded price is 100. We'll be balancing it on, let's say we'll be balancing it on April 2025. I mean 30th, April 30th. So that is the last working day. If we see any uh, if we see any red candles closing below this 10-month moving average, so I'll be out of the stock, out of this index, and I'll be exiting it. So when did I enter? If you want to last financial year, that's what I see. 28th March is where we have bought it. Okay, so everything is open, guys. So I am not doing anything. So if you want to refresh it, I just refresh it also. So I'm not doing something that's not there. Okay, I just refreshed it. Okay, I have to choose the last financial year. Yeah, that's the last day of the financial year. Sorry, that is the I have bought it, and the holdings pertains to be total value of holdings pertains to be 248971, and there are on another 100 rupees which I have added around. I have added 25,100 just for I have to enable the that without I have to do transactions without this the authorization. So I enabled the DDPI, I think so. Yeah, that for that I have added another 100 rupees. So I didn't include that. So as per strategy, we were able to buy 24971. So this is where we are going to. This is so I clearly show this is the buy price 247 quantities, and this is this one, and how much it is on the capture at the end of the day, how much it is closing on the based on how much percentage. This is for my personal record, so you don't need to worry about it. Buy date and the cash component. This is where the cash component comes in, and it is around 25,007 rupees. This is what the cash component, which is currently I'm holding. So not current total portfolio. Cash is around 35 rupees. So the tracker, which is going to get updated every month on month instrument total. Okay, we just started, and at the end of April we'll be recording it. Okay, so I don't want to record it today also, but if you want, you can record it. So okay, Let's April 2025, 25. Let's record it here. I cannot. I have to go with this one. No issues. And the instrument name. Take it from here. As of today's value, current values. Cash component, how much? 23 rupees point two. Total values. So this is where I just. This is where I'll record it. Okay. So we can plot it at and we get some good data. We can plot it on the graph and we'll see how much we have moved up and downs because the taxes will be also processed, right? So current values around 24861. Okay. So as of EOD, today's EOD, okay, April month. So next month we will be recording it on some other day. Okay, this is just for our back testing, so we can total value and every month how much it has fluctuated we can see. So that's all from my side, guys. So strategy has been implemented. I am not sitting on the sidelines. You yourself can see I'm holding it for 25,000 rupees. So I'm not sitting on the sidelines. I have made this account only for this strategy and we will be doing it. Okay. And one more thing, I will be sharing it. Okay. I will be going long only in the commodities, only when in precious metals or commodities, only when I don't find a good value in the equity. But uh, unfortunately or fortunately, I don't know, Hang Seng index is about 10-month moving average and it was coming out of such a huge base. So probably if I see some good entry points, okay, let's see how much is the risk currently with the Hang Seng. So 16 percentage, around 16 percentage is there. And if we see more downside around this levels, okay, this levels, so probably if I get less than 15 or 20 percentage, so I'll be looking for Hang Seng index. I might roll over from the silver to Hang Seng index. This is common for because the strategy is go long on the something which is about 10-month moving average. That's the simple rule. Okay. So I might do in some other thing. I don't know. Some guy shouting outside. Okay, so their own issues. The strategy is simple. I will I prefer first equity, then only commodity. So don't mistake me if I change it in next month. If I even if silver is going up, if I'm changing it. So my preference for first is equity, second is commodity. Okay, so that's all, guys. So good night.